So I'm in the UK and I'm just off to Canary Wharf to have some lunch. Stratford, and this is DLR. You can either do the DLR or you can catch the Jubilee line into Canary Wharf. Sometimes I like to jump on the DLR. It's a little bit slower, but you get to see around London and where I used to live. The train driver's view from the DLR. The UK weather, grey, which is like the Olympic Park, or it turned into the Olympic Park. And years ago, we used to live on Narrow Street. And years ago, me and Ruth used to live in Narrow Street, and we used to have views from our kitchen of Canary Wharf. Crossrail station, over budget, never going to be on time. Like to Canary Wharf, especially when we used to live here. At weekends it's great for the shops and everything because it's very quiet. During the week, lunchtime, it was always manic. This has changed quite a lot since I was last here, and they've also taken the tickers away. Our favourite places to get mozzarella. We found this chain when we was in Naples. We've always been tempted to look at Canary Wharf again, buy property. The building to the left, the round one, was one we looked at. As usual, I arrived early, so grabbed myself a coffee before going to lunch. Always like this place, like the views. I got a table for 3, but my 2 colleagues couldn't make it, so I was here, so I might as well have dinner on my own. From this restaurant you can sit and watch aeroplanes fly by. It's on the approach route to Heathrow, and also the boats on the river. It's just amazing where it's August and London is just grey. Typical London bill for food, unlike whenever we're in Europe. Negroni to finish off while I wait for my guys to come and pick me up.